Joint efforts made by Panchayat, Kalangut Panchayat, and I am going to give assistance so that main duty of this vehicle will be that if any obstruction found on the road which will hamper the free movement of either traffic or a movement of tourists moving in the area, we have powers under section 34 to lift that particular obstructions, and we can take action on that.
Action promises जे आम्ही पंगुडच्या लोकांक दिल्ले की फुटपाथ जावं ते रस्ते हॅसल फ्री करून दितले म्हणून. आयज एक क्लियरन्स स्क्वॉड म्हणून गाडी आमी एक लॉन्च केल्ली आसा. आ व्हेकल वील बी फ्रॉम 6 AM in the morning up to 10 PM at night with the help of police, of course.
Kalangut village is a touristic village, and because it's a touristic village, a lot of these hawkers, tea vendors, then hand carts, ice cream carts, magit the tourists je basin ata and they cook in open spaces. So all these incidents were reported to us over the past 6-7 months that we took over, and what we found lapse is every time we used to make a call or complaint to police or to anybody else, a dedicated vehicle nalle. So when we used to make the call, by the time the response comes, it should be like half an hour, 1 hour. So that time lapse issue happened and these people used to get away. So we decided to use a vehicle which was lying unutilized in a panchayat and keep a dedicated vehicle.